Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make groovy melodies. We'll dive right into the foundational elements that give a melody its irresistible bounce. First, we'll explore rhythmic syncopation, which is key to that head-nodding feel. Then, we'll uncover the scales and modes that lend themselves perfectly to a soulful, funky sound. Get ready to transform your musical ideas into truly captivating grooves. To truly make your melodies groovy, mastering rhythmic syncopation is essential. Think about placing accents on the end of the beat or even on the 2nd and 4th 16th notes. Try shifting a note just 1/16th note earlier or later to create an unexpected bounce. This technique adds a fantastic sense of movement and keeps listeners engaged, making your melodies feel alive and dynamic. For that soulful, groovy sound, consider using the minor pentatonic scale or the Dorian mode. These scales naturally lend themselves to expressive melodies. Don't forget to sprinkle in some blues notes like the flat 5th to add a touch of grit and emotion. Varying your melodic contour, moving from low to high and back again, keeps the listener interested and adds a beautiful sense of flow to your musical phrases. Finally, let's talk about phrasing and embellishments to elevate your groovy melodies. Think in terms of musical conversations, using call-and-response patterns between your melodic lines. Small embellishments, such as a quick slide into a note or a subtle pitch bend, can add immense character. Repeating a core melodic motif, perhaps with slight variations, helps create a cohesive and memorable musical statement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.